Hey y'all, I'm back. So this time, as y'all can see, y'all already know what it is. I bet y'all like this girl. So I have another, ta-da, another Parker backpack, a mini one, and this time it is the quilted leather. Y'all, this bag is so cute, so freaking cute, and so soft. So I just did the review on the regular one. I never knew the quilted one even existed. So I was on, what was I on? I don't know if it was Instagram or somewhere, and I saw it and I was like, let me find out they got a quilted mini backpack. I said, cause baby, I'm supposed to get that. And so y'all searching. Why? Tell me why I couldn't find this bag anywhere. So I so happy, y'all know me, I will research something to death. So I happened to be on eBay, y'all, it popped up. And so I looked at the bag real good to make sure wasn't anything wrong with it. And it's a brand new bag, brand new spanking bag or whatever. And I end up ordering off of eBay, and it was two something, I think $230 something like that or whatever. So I snatched it up really quick. So here she is. Oh, she is so cute. So cute. And y'all know, of course, I had to put my little pom-pom over here. And then here's my little tag. So here she is. The quilted leather. And this leather is like super duper soft. And this one, like the other one, it does scratch. It does scratch easily, so you have to be careful with it, which I'm not the type of person to baby my bags, but I'm also not the type of person that's just rough with them and throw them everywhere and do all that stuff either. So because I resell, you know, my bags, so I try to take care of them or whatever. So this one right here has the brass hardware, and I wish they would make one of these backpacks with the silver hardware, because I think that'll be super duper cute. And then here's the inside, and I just stuffed this stuff in here just so y'all can see what all fits in here. But here's the inside, and it's just like the other one. And then it has the little magnetic snaps on the side. Y'all, so cute. So like the other one, I didn't get a chance to show y'all the straps. Uh-oh, sorry. But you can wear it. If I can get the straps even. You can wear it, y'all, as a backpack. And then here are the different, these are, I don't know if y'all can see it, but you just change it with these little things. You take those out, so you can wear it like that as the backpack part, or you can unsnap it. And you snap this on this side, and then you snap this one over here on this side. Fix that. Let me slide that up there. Okay, so then now you can wear it as a crossbody or a shoulder tote. So that's that. Or you can do it, you know, like that, which is cute. Okay guys, I'm back. My card was full, so I had to delete some stuff off of there. But anyway, like I said, here it goes right here, and I can put it on my shoulder and carry it like that, which is super duper cute. Or you can have it a little bit longer, or you can do it a little bit longer. So, or like I said, you can do it, you know, crossbody, which I'm not a crossbody girl. I can't stand crossbodies, but I'll do a bag crossbody if I have to, but I just my stomach too big for that. So anyway, so I just want to show you all that. And now let me show you, because I didn't get a chance to do it on others, so let me show you all what all I would carry in here and then what all fits in here. So right now I have the little Dooney and Burke coin case, and I have the Coach Dreamer case thingy. Now this is not what I carry in here, I'm just showing you what I will fit in here. Then I have the little key pouch thingy, and then I have the coin purse. But let me pretty much show you all what I would put in there if I was carrying the bag. So get all my little goodies. Okay, so typically when I'm carrying little small bags, I have where is it? Oh, and let me show y'all too. A regular size wallet will not fit. It won't fit in there. So just in case anybody wants to know, it will not fit. So what I would typically carry in there is probably this right. Well, I will carry this right here, which is the Coach. And I haven't even did a review on this one, but it's like a little, just a little card case, carry a little card things. And then I have the other one that I got from Target that I've been carrying a lot, but I don't have it with me. So I would carry this to keep my debit cards and stuff in there. And then I have this little Victoria's Secret thing that it has all the little, has the cards, and I have like my gift cards and stuff in here. So I always carry this, so that'll fit in there. And I always have me some lotion. Now I either would carry this one or either the Bath and Body Works. It just depends on, you know, my room. So I'm gonna put the bigger one in there. Then I always have my lip chap, so that will go in there. And I keep me some, oh Lord, Lowe's receipt. I always keep some Kleenex. So I slide that in the back. Y'all, it's still a lot of room in there. And then here's my hand sanitizer. And this is one that I had bought a while back. It sprays. So, got that from Bath and Body Works. It's the Mango Mahi Tahi. Smells really good. So I will put that in there, because nowadays, baby, you need a full size container of a full size hand sanitizer. And I always have me some gum. So I'll put that in this back pocket back here. Y'all, gotta have my back scratcher. So put that in there. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Ooh, let me see what it fit. Yep, it'll fit. Yeah, that'll fit. I don't necessarily have to take it with me, but hey, if it fits, I'm gonna bring it. And then I always have these plackers to floss with. I always floss, so I put that in there. I'm gonna take this back scratcher out of there, but I normally have my back scratcher with me, but I ain't gonna put that in there. What else I got? Oh, and I always have me a comb. So there's that one, but I do have a smaller comb. Here you go. I'll take this smaller. This comb right here is smaller, so I'll put that in there. And this right here, I just bought, well, I didn't just buy this. I bought this from TJ Maxx before all the crazy stuff happened. And I had been looking for a little traveler manicure set, because I got to have my tweezers and my fingernail clippers and stuff like that. So I found this for $4.99, and it's a cute little, because this is like silicone. And so here's the little stuff in there. This is so cute. So I thought this was real handy. So I will take that with me. So put that in there. And my keys, of course, but I don't even have my keys in here. And I really don't too much put my keys in my bags and stuff, because I normally just hold them or whatever, but I don't have them with me. But here's everything, and I still got room. I still can put this little pouch right here. That'll fit in there. This little key pouch thing, that fits in there. And there it go. That's my lip chap. But yeah. And like I said, this side part, it expands. So then it's still able to snap. So I'm still able to close it. Uh-oh. And see, still able to close it. And there it is. So it fits quite a bit for it to be a little small. For it to be as small as it is, it holds quite a bit. So I just want to do a quick review on that and then show you guys what fits inside of it. And like I said, I got this bag from off of eBay. And this is the Quilted Parker 16 mini convertible bag. So y'all might get lucky, may be able to find it or whatever, because it's been here lately. It's been quite a few people that's been putting theirs up for sale. I guess they just, I don't know, but I love mine, so I'm gonna keep mine. And because it's good for when you go out of town and stuff like that, or you don't want to be carrying a big bag and stuff like that or whatever. So I'm gonna keep mine, so whatever. But if y'all have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys in just a minute, because I got something else to show you guys. Okay, bye.